Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goel, practicing company secretary from Delhi. This is part 2 of our series on the MSME, or we can call it as a Udyam registration. In this video, in the first video we have already discussed and see the demo how to register on the website of the Udyam registration. In this video, we will discuss about the classification of the MSME. Classification for registration under MSME after 26 June notification. On 26 June 2020, Ministry of MSME has issued a notification. That notification came into effect from 1st July 2020. In that notification, Ministry has completely changed the criteria for the registration under MSME and to continue as MSME. Means if an entity has already registered under MSME, that entity has also looked at the new criteria and have to recategorize them as per the new criteria. So let's discuss in this video about the new criteria and how to learn the new criteria. So in this video we are going to discuss criteria for registration for classification under MSME. As we are aware, as per MSME Act 2006, only manufacturer and service provider can register under MSME. Trading or traders are not allowed to register under MSME. The entity whether should be in manufacturing or should be in service or both in manufacturing or service is allowed to register under MSME. In case of entity in the manufacturing entity, then we have to check the investment amount in plant and machinery. If the entity is service enterprises, then we have to check the investment in the equipment. Accordingly, we will discuss the definition now, the criteria now. If the investment in plant and machinery or equipment, plant and machinery for manufacturer, equipment for service provider. If the investment in plant and machinery or equipment and turnover, investment plus turnover, both limit we have to check. There are the three categories: micro, small and medium. So if the investment in plant and machinery or equipment is less than 1 crore and turnover is less than 5 crore, then the enterprise shall be considered as a micro enterprise and that enterprise can get registration as a micro enterprise. If the criteria, if the investment is less than 10 crore and turnover is less than 50 crore, then such enterprise shall be considered as a small enterprise. Third is medium. If investment is less than 50 crore and turnover is less than 250 crore, then such enterprise shall be considered as a medium enterprise. So the criteria for the fulfilling the criteria, both investment plus turnover we have to check. Now how to learn the definition? We have to remember 1 crore, less than 1 crore investment in case of micro. So in case of micro, less than 1 crore investment, whenever you are going from investment to turnover, multiply by 5. In case of micro, investment is less than 1 crore. For the turnover, multiply by 5, turnover should be less than 5 crore. So like this we have to understand the investment to turnover. Now how to understand from micro to small, small to medium. In case of micro to small, we have to multiply the limits of micro by 10. Or in case of micro to small to medium, we have to multiply the criteria from micro to 50. From micro to small, micro into 10, micro to medium, micro into 50. This shall be the easy way to understand the definition of the MSME. Now one question I would like to discuss. One question is there in the mind of enterprises. In case of a company falling under criteria of micro and small both, in the case of investment they are falling in micro, in case of turnover they are falling in small, then in which criteria we will get register or re-register. So as per the 26 June notification, if the enterprise cross the ceiling limit specified for its present category in either of the two criteria, investment or turnover, it will be ceased to exist in that category and be placed in the higher category. अब एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. If investment is falling under micro and turnover is falling under small, then we always have to look at the higher category. Then micro and small, higher category is small, we will fall under small. One more example, if our turnover is falling under small but investment is falling in medium, then whatever is the higher category, that category we will considered as a category for our registration and re-registration. Hope we have cleared the definition of the MSME for all of you. If you find this video useful, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you are having any query regarding the MSME, you can mention the same in the comment box. Further, if you want to get regular updates on the WhatsApp, you can DM us on the link given on the bio. Thank you so much.